Hello, and thanks for stopping by to check out another brand new product. This is the Slimline Sweetheart Panel Die that's available today from Trinity Stamps. This single die cuts out an 8.5 by 3.5 inch embossed edge panel that also cuts out a total of 21 small hearts in a vertical fashion. There is also an embossing and stitching edge around each of the small hearts. Small individual hearts cut out measure approximately 0.94 by 0.88 inches. There are lots of possibilities with this brand new Slimline die. This will work out perfectly for being the top of a shaker card, where you can see lots and lots of different possibilities behind and in the shaker bits. You could also use all of those negative spaces to be inlaid. Here is a project that you can see that our design team member made the one panel, die cut it, and then use it for inlay. Or back it with some pattern paper and paired with any kind of sentiments works beautifully. I really love the look of all those tiny little hearts. Thanks so much for stopping by to visit another new product. I hope that you're enjoying all the new goodies we have to share with you today. Don't forget to stop by trinitystamps.com.